You have problems staying motivated? If you do, watch this video. So look, I had somebody ask me today, right? They said, do you have any tips for me to stay motivated? I want to get my body in shape. I want to start eating healthier, things like that. But she says she has problems to stay motivated with it. So you know what I told them? I said, okay, you want to stay motivated? All you got to do is stay disciplined. Because look, all motivation is a strong desire for a goal that you set for yourself, right? So if you stay disciplined towards your goal, you will be motivated. If you stay consistent towards your goal, you will be motivated. Because motivation is a mindset. If you want to stay motivated, just stay consistent. Consistency is key, and I teach this all the time. So look, don't go off of motivation, because motivation is for losers. Consistency is key. And here's why I'm saying this. Motivation, if you want to go off of motivation, there's some days where you won't be motivated at all. And you'll be like, dang, well, why am I not motivated? I'm just not feeling it. You know, it's not your fault. You're just not motivated. You're going to start doubting yourself. So look, you don't go that one day, say you want to get your body in shape. You don't go that one day to the gym, then you don't go for 2 days. And then you don't go for 3 days. And then you might go on the 4th, but then you're not really feeling it. You're not motivated. You're not focusing your energy towards it. That's why consistency is key. No matter how you feel, you're still going to do it. Don't go off of feeling. Don't go off of motivation, because you will not get what you want going off of motivation and feeling. You have to go off of consistency, discipline. Stay disciplined. If you want to learn how to be disciplined, do things that you don't like doing. Staying consistent, even if you don't like doing it, is giving you discipline. It's simple. They both go hand in hand. So when that person asks me, how do you stay motivated? And what can I do to stay motivated to get this? Well, stay consistent. Be disciplined. It's simple. Now, I'm not coming in here and I'm not trying to tell you guys to, not do this and not do that. But I'm telling you what worked for me. Right? And I just noticed for myself that whenever I would try to do things out of feeling and do things out of motivation and try to do things whenever I felt like doing it, I wouldn't get the things done that I needed to get done. I wasn't really motivated. It's hard to get motivated. You're probably motivated for like that first couple weeks, that first 2 weeks of you doing something new. And then after that, you're probably not motivated anymore. You probably bought the new pairs of shoes that you needed to go to the gym. You bought some workout clothes. You probably ate healthy for that first week. And then after that, you're just not motivated anymore. You want to go back to doing the things that are easy. Why? Because it's starting to give you less dopamine than your regular life. So now you're going back to things that are giving you, pounds, extra pounds, things that are going to delay you from your long-term goal. Now you're eating junk food. Now you're skipping days on the gym, right? It starts small. It starts with that one mistake, and then you keep beating yourself up. I know how it feels. So what I'm going to tell you is, don't worry about one mistake. If you haven't been consistent, get back into being consistent. Live in the present and change the future. Don't worry about the past. You haven't been consistent for the past few weeks. It's okay. Start today, start tomorrow, and be consistent every day beyond that. And imagine where you'll be in 2 months, 3 months. You'll be at where you want to be. Trust me. So think like that. Right? Motivation, like I said, is a mindset. Consistency is a mindset. If you're not going to be motivated, stay consistent. It doesn't matter. Don't go off of feeling, go off of what you want. What do you want? Right? So I'm making this quick video for you guys. I just want to thank you for your time. Peace. Love you guys.